Compensair discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Compensair. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to check the link in the description below for Compensair. If you click on it, you'll arrive over here and you'll also get some other discounts and other benefits as well. So make sure you check the link in the description below. Next, once you've arrived over here, this is how it looks like. It works in a couple of ways, right? You basically check for your compensation. You can basically see whether or not you're eligible for this compensation or not. And if you are, they compensate you with an average of $450. They work with 150 airlines and successfully claiming over 150 airlines from 60 different countries, including charter flights as well. And this is how it works. So you submit an application, right? You enter your flight details and a short description. It only takes a couple of minutes, and then you get your compensation. Their software will analyze if you're eligible or entitled for the compensation and choose the best way to get it. It's as simple as that. They basically protect your rights, so you can just simply come over here, scroll to the very bottom, and then click on submit your application. And once you've done that, here you just have to fill out this form. So has your flight been delayed, flight canceled, missed, or denied boarding? Any of these options selected, fill out the form from to where, all of that, departure date, airline, and how long was the flight delayed. If it's canceled, how many days before the departure were you notified of the cancel, and if you had a misconnection, you can put that detail and boarding denied over here. Just simply fill out this form and you should be good to go. Again, make sure you check the link in the description below for more details about Compensair and know your right. You'll also get a bunch of discount and other cool benefits as well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.